Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making Chinese braised pork trotters. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to cut our pork trotter into nice, manageable chunks. Then slice up 10 of ginger and cut 20 of green onion whites into sections. These aromatics are going to add so much flavor. Now, pour 500 milliliters of hot water into your wok. And let's blanch our pork. Add those ginger slices, green onion pieces, and 10 milliliters of Chinese white wine. Give everything a good mix, cover, bring it to a boil, and then drain the pork. This helps get rid of any impurities. Heat up 15 milliliters of oil in your wok. Then add 30 g of rock sugar. Once it starts melting, throw in 3 star anise and 3 bay leaves. Oh my goodness! The smell is incredible. Add your pork back in and stir fry until you see the color change. Next, add your aromatics back in for a quick stir, followed by 15 milliliters each of dark and light soy sauce and 10 milliliters of cooking wine. Give everything a good toss to coat that pork evenly. Pour in 500 milliliters of water. You want it to just barely cover the meat. Pop the lid on, and when you see foam appearing on top, skim it off. Then let it simmer away for an hour. This is what makes the meat super tender and flavorful. Once the liquid starts to reduce, add 3 g each of sugar and salt. Finally, crank up the heat and quickly reduce that sauce until it's nice and sticky. And there you have it. It's absolutely incredible. Friends, you must try our Chinese braised pork trotters. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.